Hello and welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to a channel in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from a browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From the left side of your screen, hover your mouse to the chat or channel in which you want to add someone. Then from the top right corner you can see this type of profile icon. Click on it, then click to add people. From here, add the name or email address of the people that you like to add. Then click to save. Then the member will be added. This is how you can add someone to a channel in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.